Welcome back to my channel, friends. I've got a quick unboxing for you. It has been a while that I have been stocking this particular piece on the Louis Vuitton website. It has rarely ever come up on the website as available. It's always notify me out of stock, but I do the find in store feature, and I sometimes see that it pops up about one bag in one location somewhere across the US, and I have attempted to call a couple of different stores to try to get it, and was finally able to reach an SA, actually down in Dallas at the North Park location, boutique in the Neiman Marcus. And I'm really thankful for that particular CA who was able to place an order for me. And this was probably back in the beginning of the summer. And I recently received an email to tell me that it had come in. So I was very excited, was able to have them mail it to me in my home in the Midwest. And I am so excited to share this with you. Get this opened up. This is technically part of the men's collection, but it will go perfectly with other pieces that I have, primarily for travel. And if you have watched my other videos, you may have an idea of what this particular piece is in terms of canvas. It is a canvas piece. Ooh, so nicely packed, and comes in a Louis Vuitton box, which is kind of unusual. Some of the places that I've ordered from, the pieces just basically come in the bag, in the dust bag. Here is my receipt. They even gave me some ribbon. Ooh, okay. Kind of tight. So we've got the box with the magnetic closure, and oh, even has more ribbon. Oh, cute little gift card. Actually, if you're being really bougie, you could probably use this as some type of lanyard. So, to reveal, oh my goodness, comes in multiple dust bags. Exciting. As you can tell, this is a multi-piece, but it sold as one, but it comes in several different pieces.
Sorry, friends, I have to insert some other footage here because I really messed up on my filming. So here we go on a redo on the different pieces. My video footage wasn't that great from my original unboxing, so I went ahead and decided to refilm this. So I've got them piled up in their different components. The first one is the key pouch. And as you can see, on the one side, it is the reverse monogram. On the other side, the traditional monogram eclipse. You can open up and see, it's just black hole. The second piece is the slightly larger pouch. Has two D-rings that are unattached to these leather chaps, and they are movable, so you have some flexibility with regards to the pouch and positioning of it. Again, monogram eclipse on one side and the reverse monogram on the other. As you can see, let me put that up. The final component is slightly larger, and as you can see, it is a little bit of a wider opening, and it does have a D-ring on one side, a D-ring on the other side. It is all monogram eclipse, and the zip, and it does open up. And when we open it, the strap is in here. And now if we look at the strap, it is the canvas strap. It has the Louis Vuitton stitched in to the strap. It has the clips that are movable, so you don't have to worry about, you know, your bag getting all, your strap getting all twisted. And that's on both sides. It is an adjustable strap, as you can see. Now when we put this all together, the pouch will go, on this D-ring here, or you can obviously just go ahead and place it inside into any of the other pouches, or you can attach it to this D-ring if you prefer. Now, in order to attach these two together, you do need to decide where you want it and how you want it placed. So if you want that contrast of the reverse monogram, then you would attach it this way. If you want the solid monogram eclipse, you would have to attach it this way, so these chaps and D-rings would be more exposed. And the way you would attach, you take your strap and the clip, and you would do it this way. You would attach first to one and then to another. You attach the D-rings first, and then on the other side you would do the same thing. So attach to one D-ring and then pull it through. It is a little awkward, I must admit, but that way you have you know, your pieces, one hangs a little bit lower. If you want the monogram, like you decide, oh, but you don't want to undo it, you can just flip it over to the other side, and I have to wiggle this around a little bit, but then you have all monogram eclipse. The D-rings are a little awkward. That is something of a flaw. It would be nice if this had some mechanism to attach directly here rather than having to attach both of these D-rings through the clip on the strap. Now I'm gonna see what all we can fit in here. I'm gonna do the smallest thing first. So I'm gonna take my iPad, my AirPods, and I'm actually gonna put them in the key pouch, easy access. They're a little bulky, but you know, they fit nicely. If I didn't want the case in there, I could just take the AirPods out and stick them in. For those who don't trust Bluetooth and wireless technology, you can switch out for a pair of earbuds, and that fits quite nicely in there. Nice and flat, not bulky at all, as you can see. Next, I'm going to fit my eyeglass case. These are my sunglasses. So that will go in here. And it fits pretty well inside. The next piece, I have my Chanel card holder that I use as a mini wallet. That goes in there. I have another flat card holder with my most important cards, and that fits nicely in there. I have my key, my 6-ring key holder and that fits quite nicely. I have a O pouch that I use to hold my masks, and that fits in there. And if I really wanted to, I can't really fit this in here the way everything is currently configured, but say I wanted to close that up and then utilize this pouch up front, I could potentially put my O pouch in there, but as you can see, it is bulky. Or I could simply take out the things that I have in my mini pochette, and girl things, lippies, blotting sheets, all of this can fit quickly in there. Let me show you. So messy, but everything that was in my mini pochette did obviously fit in this larger pouch. Well, it's larger than the mini. So size-wise, as you can see, this is much smaller, even though it is thicker, has a wider base than this pouch on the Trio Messenger, but still fits everything, and I could fit more.
Thanks for watching. That's it for today. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription bell so that you are notified for all my future videos.